Hello everyone, welcome to Web Academy, and today we are recording the last episode of this series of Flutter, PHP and MySQL. During the entire journey, we have discussed about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, how to design the admin panel of this application using Bootstrap. We have also discussed about the PHP programming language. We have also discussed about MySQL and storing the data of our admin panel into the MySQL database. We have also discussed about Flutter and the core fundamentals of Flutter. We have also discussed about how to create the UI of the Flutter application, and later on we have discussed regarding the API connection using Flutter, PHP and MySQL. And today we will be recording the last episode of this series where we have discussed how to show the orders of the users which has been created by the person himself. So if I just click on my orders, now I am able to see that all the orders of this user will be shown here. So instead of showing all the orders, I don't know why it's not working. Just a minute. Let me open the control panel. And then I will go to File Manager and open the API. I will then go to File Manager and then let me open Flutter app folder. And inside the API, I will click on fetch orders.php. And here I can see select star from checkout, everything is working fine. So it's working fine. So if I just click on my orders, I can see all the orders have been displayed in the screen, but here the user should be able to see his own orders, not the orders of any other user. Okay, so for that, here in our fetch orders page, I will create a new variable and the name of the variable will be API mobile. All right, and I will also be opening the PHP my admin of this website. I will check the database and I will have to check the relationship which we have used while storing the data in our checkout table. So this is the checkout table which we can see here, and the relation is we have used the customer name and customer mobile, so we can track the orders of this user by his C mobile or customer mobile. Now I will create the API here, I will create the variable here, and the name of the variable will be API_mobile, and we will be fetching this API URL through the name called mobile. Okay, and now I will modify this statement, select star from checkout where C mobile, okay, where C mobile underscore mobile will be the API mobile. That's all. Okay, now we will go to our Flutter application, and here we have to define the variable name as mobile, and I will write user mobile. Okay, so we have not defined from where we will get this data, this value of user mobile. Now, just as we have created, or just we have in the same way we have fetched the data from share preferences in our home screen, I will create a string here in our my orders page, and the name of the string will be something like user mobile. And then I will go to home screen once again, and in the home screen I will copy the get user info details, and I will store the data here. I will paste the data over here. Now I will have to import the necessary plugins, and then I will have to import the necessary libraries. Here is the username, string username. Okay, the string which we have created should be user mobile instead of username. Username, user mobile, and it should also be user mobile. String user mobile. Okay, and now I'll be calling the method. I'll be calling the function get user info inside our init state. Okay, we did one more mistake, and that is we should call this function here at first, get user info, and then we will again be storing the data over here, page orders here, and then we will tell that the user mobile is user mobile, and then we will copy this value and paste it over here. But till now we haven't got the value of user mobile. I generally use something like this so that it's being easier to check the things. And if I just hit the restart button, let me see what I can see now. And I will have to go to my orders page. It is taking me to the login screen once again. Let me log into this application. Password is 123. And then I will have to go to my orders. And my orders is giving me some error. Okay, so the thing is, here in this page, we are checking whether the user mobile value is null or not. And if I just go to login screen, here we will be seeing that we have no data regarding the user mobile. So now we have to create user mobile here. Okay. And I will link the user mobile with this shared preferences value. Now, I will also have to mention it over here. And then, even here, we will have to tell user underscore mobile. Response data user ID, response data user mobile. And it will be a string. All right. Now I will have to go to our API, login API. And here I will have to tell that we need the user mobile as well. Now, let me open this page 1, 2, 3 and login. Error login type int is not a type of string. Okay. It's a mobile. And let me use it in the order. And let me try once again. Now login is being successful. And if I click on my orders, I can see the mobile number of this user as 98989898. I will have to go to my orders, and here I can see the mobile number as, yes, user mobile as 989898 and 98. Then I will have to go to the users table and I will check, is there any, or yes, this is the user whose user mobile is 989898 and 98. Now, this is the home screen. I will add the product in my cart and then click on checkout. And if I just write my name as Pavan Bhunia and my mobile number is 98989898 and 98. So in the later part of this video, we will automatically fetch the user mobile in this field, and we will make it read only so that the user won't be able to change the value. And the user don't have to type the mobile number, and I will write test address here. And let me click on submit. I can see the order has been placed successfully. Okay, data inserted successfully. And I will go back and then I will click on my orders. I am able to see that the order number 15 and the name of the person is Pavan Bhunia has been successfully placed here. All right. So what we will be doing now is that I will go to add to cart, and then in this field, in my user mobile, I will be automatically showing the mobile number of the user, which is 98989898, so that there is no mistake while placing the order. And for that, I will open the checkout screen. Now, in this input field of your mobile, we will be showing the default value of the customer. And for that, we will have to go down and let us say where we have used. Yes. Now, here I will be inserting one condition, and the condition is if label text equals your mobile. If label text is equal to your mobile, in that case, we'll be showing the default value as 1, 2, 3. For the time being, we'll be showing default value as 1, 2, 3. Later on, we will change it. For that, let me write controller.text, and it will be 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let me try 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's working. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will have to go to home and then copy the to function of get user info, which I will paste it over here. Just a minute. Mobile text. Okay, I will paste it over here, and I will also copy the super edit state, and then I will paste it over here. Let me remove fetch product details, and I will import all the necessary packages. I will also import the login screen, and here instead of username, I will go to login.dart. I will be copying the user mobile. And we will also have to create one variable for storing the username. So in this video or in the screen, we are not using username, we are using user mobile. Let me correct it, and then we will replace the usernames to user mobile. This is user mobile as well. If user mobile is empty, and this is user mobile. Now, we will go to the bottom of this screen, and where we have written the controller text, let me write it user mobile. So it's not working here. And it's asking me to create a local variable called user mobile. And let me create one local variable here. User mobile equals to null. And if I click on this button, expect it. Okay. It should be fine now. But still I'm not able to see the value over here. So what I will do, I will copy the user mobile from here and then go to this field. User mobile will be user mobile. Now I can see the user mobile is by default coming up in this form. The last thing which we have to do several things actually. The last thing which we have to do is to make it non-changeable or non-editable, so that there is no mistake done accidentally by the user. If the user simply edits 1.8, then the order will not be shown in his my order page. So we have to do it. For that, again, we will scroll down, and inside our build text input field method, we will be doing some more modifications as well. And for that, bool read only equals to false. And then we will go up to this user mobile field, 1 comma, and read only equals to true. So we are all done. Now I am not able to change this user mobile. Okay. Let me hit on the refresh button and check what's going on. I can see the picture, and then if I just add to cart, I can see the final product. If I just click on checkout, I can write my name here. I can pre-populate the name as well, and the entire address, and then click on submit. And now if I just go to my orders page, I can see that the recent order 16 has been successfully placed. Now I will go to the front end, and here let me open the website aboutassam.com and then the Flutter app. It is again not working. I will have to go to the file manager and let me check index.php file. I can see some malwares over here. Let me delete this malwares. And now let me check it again. I will have to log in into this portal as the admin. Password is 123. And then I will go to orders. So this is the order which I have recently received. Let me update the order as order confirmed, which I can see over here. Order has been marked as confirmed. And if I just click on my orders, I can see the order has been confirmed. The order status has been successfully changed. I can even change all the images placed here from the product section. If I just go to products and let me save this image, and I will update this image here, and let me reload the home screen. I can see this image being shown over here. I will again copy the second image and the third image. Check your internet connection. My internet is good, but I don't know what's going on. And let me upload these two product images as well. And click on update product. If we just go to the backend and go to home, I'm able to see the products here. Okay. And I will again go to the home screen and I will adjust the height of these products. Title row, this is for the amber, this is for the drawer, this is for this one. So I will mark the height as 400. Now it is looking good. Here I can see add to cart button. Let me find out add to cart and comma style, text style, color will be white so that it gets visible. Regular price, I can see the sales price, I can see here. And if I want to change this description, I will check the description of revital tablets. And I will open this website. Then I will go down and copy the description. And if I update it here and then click on update product, the description has been updated. If I go to home, I can see the product details and add to cart is working fine. This is the description which has been updated from the admin. If I click on add to cart, I can see the details over here. If I click on checkout, let me also edit or let me also adjust the font of this checkout. For that, I will go to cart page and then I will check where the button is, product name, product price, and checkout now. I will give it a comma and text style and color will be white. Let me go to our Android app once again. It is looking nice now. If I click on checkout, this is the name. I can edit my name, but my mobile number is non-editable. I can edit my address. test address. If I click on submit button, I can see my order has been successfully placed. And if I go to orders, the order status is null. I can update the order as order has been shipped. Now, if I click on my orders, I can see the order details as the order has been shipped. I will go back and then click on logout. And now I will log in as Alex. 1, 2, 3 and log in. Now I am logged in as Alexander. If I click on add to cart and then checkout, and then again I'll be updating the details and test address. If I click on submit, I'll be able to see that the order has been successfully placed. Now if I go back and go to my orders, I'll be able to see only the orders which has been placed by me. So that's how we have completed the entire series of Flutter, PHP and MySQL. If you want any more details about Flutter, maybe web development, maybe web hosting, or maybe home automation, industry automation, let me know in the comments so that I can prepare one more series for you guys. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to this channel for more updates regarding web development, web hosting, industry automation, mobile application development, and home automation. Bye-bye.